Dade, gaya ka na ga? Aboy, oo naman. Gumayak-gaya ka na at ayaw ko ng pahuli-huli. Ay, nakakahiya naman Tayo pa namang ang ninong at ninang. Ay, tapos kita ay mahuhuli. Gumayak ka na. Abay, oo naman. Ay, sabay sanang tayo Ano namang tayo pahuli-huli. Hi! Batangan word of the day. Words. Gayak and baysanan. Yes, baysanan, which means kasalan sa salitang Maynila, or sa Ingles, wedding. And then gayak, which means to prepare or maghanda, or maghanda. That's the 2 words for today. Thank you for watching.